All right, let's start by getting up and moving. So if you're sitting in a chair, be careful of your headphones. Let's stand up. You should always be able to touch your chair if you're in class. No running around the room. Touch your chair. And I want to teach you a couple things that we'll need to know to be able to successfully do our movement activity for today. So the first one is some snaps, right? If you can't snap, it's fine. You just put your fingers together like this and nobody will know. So we just like this. We got some snaps. Okay. The next part is we've got like a weird little thing going on with like our knees and our legs. So try this with me. There you go. That'll work. The next thing you'll need to know is kind of like the zombie thing going on. Try that with me. You got it? Like that. And the last one is you are moving your hands up and down like this. So try that with me. And then you're going to turn it. So we're going to turn around like this. And that should do it. Here we go.